one very good looking shape which you can use for buttons in your Power BI report, which is this one. It's called diagonal corners rounded rectangle. So you can have this as button, no line. We can go to gradient fill. So to create a good looking gradient fill, you have to click on gradient fill. There are multiple options: linear, radial, rectangular. Most of the times we use linear and radial. I'm using linear for this one. Now you can see gradient stops 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 gradient stops in this shape. So if you just move this one, you can see that the gradient is changing. So most of the time, like, we have only 2 stops or 3 stops maximum, but it depends. I selected one stop and hit delete. So that's why it was deleted. Or you can select this one and click over here and it would remove gradient stop. Now, what I want to do, I want to have some good gradient fill. So I will select blue and then I will go to more colors. One color I'm selecting as dark blue and I'm copying this hex code. Control C. Okay. And now this one, more colors. I will paste the hex code. I will make it a bit lighter. Okay. Now go to this one, more colors, hex code. I will make it the lightest one. And now you can see the direction over here. So which direction, it's up to your personal preference. I would go with this one. And now I can play around with this. Whatever feels good for you, you can stop over there and then import this object in Power BI and you're ready to go. But I want to remove no line, and you have this like beautiful looking button for your Power BI report. And the purpose of showing this button is to show how you can apply gradient colors in your objects or on your background or any other shapes.